We're Cindy and Eddie.
And this is Squeeze the Day.
As with a lot of graduate hotels, they're going to have a lot of college students here in the morning getting their coffee, just like us. So make sure you get up early so you can beat the crowd. Good morning.
Good morning.
Today we are on our way to Columbus from Cincinnati.
And we're taking you along with us, so let's go.
We didn't really know what to think about this town driving into it. However, it's right in a very busy area, so we're kind of excited that it might be a happening kind of a spot. So that was good news for us. We checked in, talked to our hosts for the day, and got started on our recording. Take a look at the figures in the back here. Can you tell me what that says? Leave a comment below.
And here we are.
Today we're going to have Robert Lawrence Stein let us in. Leave a comment if you know who that actually is.
As you walk in, you'll see there is a full-length mirror, a little bench. Look at this. Floor-to-ceiling armoire here. Iron safe. Ironing board and some hangers. Mini fridge.
Drawers.
And another cabinet.
Storage on the right hand side.
As you've seen before, there's water in your room. A nice workstation here.
Chair with John Glenn on it. Ohio colors. Now here's something different. We actually have mirrors behind both side tables.
If you were paying attention to that name that we checked in with, R.L. Stein. And we're gonna check out our view now. Oh yeah.
Oh, I was so right. This view is amazing.
This is epic. The street down there is bustling today. We're gonna go check that out in a minute.
First thing is the sink and mirror on the left hand side, decent size, and then just across from that is this shower. Stands really good. So take a look at that. There are a lot of pictures on the walls. Very historic area. And now let's go take a look at the rest of the hotel. As with all the other graduate hotels, Columbus has plenty of seating, and they encourage students to come in, sit down, and relax. The decoration is amazing. Look at the detail in this wall right here. You gotta love it. They also have a really great setup. Right next door, you're going to see a restaurant that's available for direct access. That's the Shake Shack. And who doesn't love being able to get to Shake Shack right away, straight out of the hotel room? On the second floor, you're going to find more seating area. This is also where you're going to find the event rooms, which is pretty awesome. A lot of space, really well decorated. A couple of games. It looks great. A couple of microwaves. It's awesome.
These Buckeyes, though, they're making me hungry. Oh.
This time, Troy Smith is going to let us into the fitness center.
Thank you, Troy. Back in the corner are the weights.
First time we've seen a Jacob's ladder in the gym. The trophy room's not available for use right now. However, we're going to go take a look inside and tell you about it. They have bikes available, just like most of the other graduate hotels and soon all the other graduate hotels. But here's something you definitely got to come outside to take a look at.
Graduate Columbus. On the wall behind us is a mural. You need to download the app. We'll link it in the description. The reason is because if you have an iPhone and you download this app, they come to life. It's actually pretty awesome.
Watch this.
That's one of them. You're gonna have 3.
Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wild.
Okay, one more. Let's take a look at this one.
It does. Oh my
What?
gosh. No way.
All right, we're gonna watch this one too. Look at that.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
That's what it looks like without it. That's what it looks like with it. Get this app, people. That bird is just buzzing, huh? Let's go check that out. This is at Graduate Hotels, mural on the side, in Columbus. Y'all gotta check this out. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so that you can continue to follow along with us as we continue on this adventure.
And as always, squeeze the day and be well.